Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, if you're new to my channel, I do upload videos once a week. I do seasonal decorating, I do Ray Dunn hunts and shopping hauls, and also I do a little bit of DIY projects, and then a little update. In some of my previous videos, I talked about getting granite for my kitchen and my bathroom. It's all been installed. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to reveal how the kitchen and the bathrooms turned out. The only thing I'm waiting on is in my bathroom, I have to get a decorative mirror to put up, which I haven't purchased one yet. There's one over at Kirkland's I'm trying to purchase, but when I was online, it wouldn't let me check out. So I need to call the store and see if they can order it for me. And then in the kitchen, I got a couple things I need to do with my backsplash. And then I think a little touch up on the walls, and then we'll be good to go. So hopefully I'll get those up soon for you guys because I cannot wait to share with you how they turned out. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to decorate my mantle for fall. And as you can see behind me, the garland that I have up here that I'm using, this came from Kirkland's last year. And what I loved about it, it was really cute. It had cream pumpkins off to the side. You can see I have some cream pumpkins. And then it came with not these pumpkins, but they came with some small little buffalo check pumpkins that was really cute on there. But you know what? After the holiday season last year, I decided I wanted to keep it on the mantle, the garland, because I absolutely loved it. So what I did was I snipped off the little pumpkins and the buffalo check pumpkins, and I saved them for this year. So what I'm going to be doing is adding a few more little pumpkins to the garland. And then let's see, I'm going to share with you what other items I have to decorate for the mantle. You guys know that I love my Ray Dunn hunting, and when I was on one of my Ray Dunn hunts, I found the little orange pumpkin here. This is the medium size. This one says Gather, and this is priced at $14.99. Super cute. I was going to go with a different color this year for the mantle, and you know what? The little Ray Dunn pumpkin in orange inspired me to use them, and this is the color that I'm going to go with because I just absolutely love these. And then I also found the larger one. This one says Harvest. This one was priced $19.99. And then when I was over at Home Goods, I picked up these lanterns. These are super nice. I absolutely love these. They're huge, they're real heavy. They're like a black metal. And then they lift up from the top here so you can put your candles in there. So I have two of these that I'll be using on the mantle. These are quite large, so they're going to take up a lot of room. Now, I think I got these for $16.99. I don't see the price on the bottom, but if I got them for $16.99, what a great deal on these huge lanterns. And I did pick up two of them. And then inside the lanterns, I'm going to be using the little stands. Got these over at Hobby Lobby for like $2.99. And then you generally can get these for like 40% off. And then I also picked up the candle here from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love these because it's on a timer. And what I like about these, you can turn them on. So if you want them to come on at 6 o'clock, they'll stay on for around 6 hours, and then they'll shut off, and then the next day they'll turn back on at the same time. So I thought that was really cool because you don't have to keep jumping up there, turning them on and off. And I'm going to use these inside of the lantern, and I have two of them. And then I am going to be putting in a couple more of these little cream pumpkins throughout the garland. And then these little buffalo check pumpkins, these came from Kirkland's, don't have a price on them, but they got the cute little wood stem here. And I think I got two of them. So we'll play around and see how I display these. And then the last thing I have for up there are these string lights, which again, I absolutely love lighting. These are LED lights, they're bright white, and again, they have a little timer on the back, so all you do is switch it when you want it to come on. It'll stay on for a couple hours, and then it turns off, and then the next day it comes back on again. So I absolutely love these. So let's go ahead and decorate my mantle for fall. Well, here's one of my DIY projects that I did in my last video. Now I used this crate from Hobby Lobby, which is the perfect size if you want to get one of these Dollar Tree plaques. Now they only are $1 and it says farm fresh, and it's the perfect size for the side of the crate. So it just adds a little detail to it and I absolutely love it. So I'll leave the link down below in the description. That way you can check out this video on how I made this. I just couldn't wait to upload the video, so I thought I'd give you guys just a little peek of how it turned out, because I'm real happy with the countertops. And the only thing left to do, we're working on the backsplash. Now we knew there would be a gap between the tile and the countertop. Now my idea is to remove the bottom row here and hopefully find the same tile in a 5-inch tile that will come all the way down to the countertop here. That's our idea, and then over here we had to remove some tile for them to do the countertop. So we have a couple pieces here that need to be cut and put back, and then when we were putting this in, the guy told us about an air switch. I didn't know what an air switch was. It's for your garbage disposal. We did have a switch here, a rocker switch that worked the garbage disposal, but now we have an air switch that we have to purchase and my husband will install, and that's going to go right there. So there'll be a little button for an on and off switch. And then the other thing we need to do, we need to touch up a little bit of wall on the other side. And then over here, this needs to be filled in better and painted. And then we do need to put all the molding up around the trim, up underneath the counter here. And then my other idea is, for this outside wall here, I was thinking about doing that faux brick. So I think that would be really super nice when that's done. Well, be sure to come back and check out my video when I post it of how I transformed my kitchen with new granite. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. I absolutely love the way the mantle turned out. Now above the mantle, I'm using a window pane that came from Hobby Lobby, and then my wreath that came from Kirkland's last year. I purchased 2 of those. Now last year I used them on my windows beside my fireplace, but this year I thought I'd do a little something different, and it was the perfect combination to add that to the window pane to tie in with my Ray Dunn pumpkins, and also the little pumpkin over here in the picture. And I absolutely love my lighting at night. It looks so pretty when it turns on. And then I just added a couple cream pumpkins and then a couple buffalo check pumpkins. So I absolutely love the way this turned out. So until next time, happy decorating.